Hi, I am Ahmed Shah and today I will show you how to find a keyword in Google AdWords. So let's go. We will be find the high CPC keyword like United States and France. First of all, you create video on this topic. Google Pay. This topic is very high CPC and very good earning. Like this you see it's very easy and very good earning. You select all high keyword in this and just select this high keyword and then wait. Okay, select this high keyword. Look at keyword standard is so high, it's never ended. Like look at this 100 views. If anyone click, so then will be and one greater than this. Okay, I will be selected this one like just for you, and now it's going to be ended. Maybe it's going to be ended, and 500 500. Good. Last. And one thing I forget, please subscribe to my channel and share and like. Okay, 158 keyword is very high keyword like United States of America and France. So what can I do? I will copy in this all keyword and paste it here. My net is so be I will be put here is connection to be anyway. Okay. Here, here is my keyword. My keyword and paste here. Control V. Look at this. This is so high keywords. And now what to do here is monetization tab. And here by default mid-roll will be placed at naturally breakpoint to balance to viewer experience and creator revenue. Okay, so what can I do is a non-skippable video, a skippable that I will be just select non-skippable video ad, remove them. Okay, and go to there. My net is too slow, sorry for that. Okay, this is the Google keyword plan. It's my very old account, so that's the reason is I will be open in this. it's not working on you, because if you have old account, then they working is very well, and it's totally be free and free Google search. Okay, and now here is gaming category is fine. You will be changed in this for have to style and video, no people and blog, no science and technology, no pet animal, no, and what can I think, news and political, no, entertainment, no, education. Yeah, you will be select the category in education. Education is a very high, yeah, education, and caption certificate, none. Understand my point? This will be help to you on just this video, and this all will be good. Okay, and then save. Here is your setting is complete, and now wait for uh, okay. Now I'll create the video all time. My video is on this keyword, Google Pay. So what can I do? You will be copy in this keyword and come here and just paste here and wait for the best best keyword. Yeah, look at this, how to use Google Pay, how to use Google Play, how to use Google Pay to spend money more easily. New Apple Wallet was new Google Wallet. Now, how to set up and use Google Pay. This is very great and very good idea to me. Phone key, Google Wallet, Google. New Google Wallet coming with Android 13. Okay, and Apple Pay was, Samsung Pay was Google Pay. This is very good keyword. Look at this, Samsung Pay. Look at, I will be search here is like a Samsung Pay. Wait a minute, Samsung Pay. Okay, I will search it, and now wait a minute. What's the problem with? You don't have any keyword idea yet. Oh, oh. It's mean I will be select is wrong. Maybe I will be selected is wrong keyword. What website? No, here. Okay. Pay. Okay. No, it's not coming here. I don't know why. Okay, Samsung Pay here, and I will be cutting and search again. So here is Samsung Pay. What? 100 views. Look at this. Just France and USA. And this guy maybe seen it. I will be search this location on this channel and just showing to you which country he belong. United States. Look at say, and this will be uh, where is uh, where is where is, yeah, here. Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, Google Pay. You see Google Pay is $100, $1,000, and Samsung Pay here is 74, just 74. Yeah, here Samsung Pay. Look at this, Samsung Pay, 74 to high range is very high, create money. And now Apple Pay. Wait a minute, one keyword more. Apple Pay. This is the keyword. This is the SEO you should do if you earn money on Google, YouTube. Apple Apple Pay. Apple Pay, and it's very amazing. Look at this. Apple Pay Web 8328, and here a site you will select is Android version. This is a device and method, credit card, debit card, under bank, Apple. You think if you create your channel like this, showing on this pay card or this on like this keyword, so what can I do? I will be just copy on this. Okay, sorry, I will open on this. I will be just open on this. Okay, my work will be done it. And now going to here.
Are you a creator looking for new ways to make money?
Always.
Then you need to
Okay, I will be here and here, and doggone anywhere, just here, and come here, and I will search again on this keyword, and look at the power of no zero. Just I remove in 2022. Okay, yeah, my word is created on this. You should, maybe you should better understand what can I say. Yeah, I remove on him. I remove on 2022. Yeah, this is good. This is very good. It's amazing. Here is the main thing on tags. What should do? You space on tag, just one tag. Don't another tag copy here. Just one tag here, and just save him. And now my video will create 12 minutes. So thank you for supporting me, and subscribe my video. Sorry, subscribe my channel and like and share. Please, if you any, I will be help. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.